Alright, we are going to be putting together a raised garden bed from Ollie's. And this garden bed is actually two that we're going to be putting together to be a little longer. These were $8 a piece, so I think we're in at 16 bucks and some change. This is about cheaper than two pieces of wood. And let's put it together. Slides right in. Very simple. One packet would just be this size, so we're going to make it longer. You can actually put as many of these together as you want, and they are stackable. And it's much deeper. This is a great feature, especially for the month. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. Anyone can put this thing together. And for $8 for one, it would just be one size. But for $16 for this size, I mean, we can't beat that. It's cheaper than two pieces of wood. This looks like a great investment for the money. It is plastic. Might last forever though. A piece of wood might rot in less than a year. This thing is not going to rot. Looks like a good investment. And we will be doing, we're going to prep the soil and place it in another spot. But there's putting it together. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.